So guys, welcome back to another live trading video. So we got our entry today in Titan at 2657.95 was our entry. We kept our stop loss at 2669.30 and we are aiming for 1:2 risk reward ratio. 2635.20 is our target. So I'll explain what was the reason behind this entry once this trade ends. So stay tuned guys. So guys, the price came near our target, just 1 rupee left to hit our target. So let's see what happens. Oh my god, it's taking a pullback again. So anyways, it happens. Let's wait for the price to hit our target.
Hours later.
So guys, after waiting patiently for more than 4 hours, our target has been hit. At this candle, 124 candle is where our target has been hit. So I'm going outside right now. I'll explain what was the reason behind this entry after the market closed. Maybe I'll record it around 5 p.m. today. But no worries, that will be just a couple of minutes for you in the video. Anyway, stay tuned guys. So guys, the time is 7 p.m. I just came home an hour ago. So when you look at the 1 hour market structure in Titan, you can clearly see a downtrend here. So I was looking for selling opportunities, that is short selling was my priority when it is in downtrend. So what I did, I draw a 1 hour order block and which can be considered as the 1 hour order block. This blue region that I drawn here can be considered as our 1 hour order block. Some might even say this candle is what we call as an 1 hour order block. Yeah, that is completely true and it's 100% right. But here, as you can see here, this order block has been mitigated already. And those who made their entries based on this 1 hour order block, this candle could have given you a good entry. And I'm sure that people who entered using this order block could have made some good profits too. But those who have missed this can be a great opportunity too. And I would say this order block is even more powerful than this one. The reason is because this region acts as an order block even in the higher time frame. So it is even more powerful than this one. So I was very much sure of this entry. So I was waiting for the price to reach this region. So what happened was yesterday before the market was closed, the price came to this region, but there wasn't a reversal confirmation. So today what happened? The price opened exactly at the zone, tried to move up but couldn't move past the yesterday's high. But what happened was there was some good momentum downside and it broke the previous swing low. Yes, I was waiting for the confirmation here. So what can be considered as our confirmation? Break of previous swing low can be considered as our confirmation. So as you can see here in the 1 minute time frame, made a small higher high, higher low, higher low formation here. So I was waiting for this previous swing low to be broken. This break of previous swing low can also be called as change of character. So this candle gave a confirmation. So once there is a clear change of character, what I did was I draw a order block in the 1 minute time frame. So this candle can be considered as our order block. So this small blue region is our order block in the 1 minute time frame. And I placed my entry based on this order block. That is 2657.95 was our entry that you might have already seen. And where was my stop loss? 2669.30 is what I felt like a conservative stop loss, and that is where I kept my stop loss. So when you look at the target, I was expecting a 1:2 risk reward ratio, and it was a perfect target to be kept here. And if you are expecting a bigger target like this region, I wouldn't recommend it, because here there is a huge imbalance in this region. Yeah, I'm confident that this region will be broken in the higher time frame, but since it's an intraday trade, I wasn't very much sure. So 1:2 is where I kept, and usually I didn't expect more than 1:2 in intraday trades. So for my strategy, 1:2 was perfect, and 2635.20 is where we kept our target. So what happened today? As soon as our price triggered our entry, there was some strong downside movement. So I thought, okay, it's going to hit our target within half an hour. I was actually happy to see this movement. But what happened? You can clearly see it was in sideways for more than 2 hours, and here in this candle I was expecting it to hit a target. It was just 95 paisa for our target to be hit, but unfortunately it again moved up, stayed sideways for like an hour. Then after waiting patiently for 3 hours, our target was hit in this candle. 124 candle is where our target was hit. So anyways, it was a great trade. Everything went according to our plan, and that is what you should consider as a great trade, because even though if it hit your stop loss, if you follow your plan and strategy perfectly, then you can definitely consider it as a good trade. So I hope you are able to learn some new information from this video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.